would hardly be anyone out here who would shy away from getting themselves clicked. If someone shows a disinterest, it's majorly because they feel their pics do not turn out good or they are not photogenic enough. Ever felt jealous of a friend who comes out flawless in pictures? Then, you are not alone. Being photogenic comes naturally to some people while others have to work towards looking good in pictures. Of course, a lot of it is in the hands of the photographer, but there's some things the subject can do to look better. It's not magic, neither is it rocket science. We have listed out some tips to look stunning in pics. Whether it's a selfie or a professionally clicked one, a photograph is a two-dimensional image from one angle. The bad thing is a picture doesn't show all your physical attributes as a naked eye would see, but you can learn to hide the features that you don't like and highlight what you like. And the amazing thing, some tips like the following can really help. So, watch on. One, never look directly at the camera, look just above the lens. 2, tilt up your head slightly to get rid of double chin. Also, try placing your tongue against the roof of your mouth but behind your teeth. 3, an erect straight posture makes you look attractive and confident. A slouch makes you look weak and lazy. Your back should be straight and your bones should be stretched out. You can try wearing heels as they make you stand straight. 4, never stand straight facing the camera like you have been arrested. Instead, you can try what is commonly called the model pose. Turn your body 3/4 to the camera and shift your weight to 1 foot. This will not only make you look taller but will also make you look slimmer. 5, full body shot should be taken from your belly button level as it elongates your legs and improves your proportions. 6, always face the light while getting clicked. Facing away from the light can create shadows on your face which are usually unflattering. Natural light should be preferred. 7, for events and occasions you know you will be clicked at, choose colors and fits that suit your body. Also consider your hair color while choosing what color or print to wear. 8, avoid using SPF foundations or BB creams because they reflect a whitish cast in pictures. Also, orange lipsticks give a yellowish tint to your teeth, so avoid wearing them or smile with your lips closed for the picture. 9, learn to smile 3/4. Big smiles look unnatural and the attention turns from your pretty face to your pink gums. Practice smiling in front of the mirror and you'll see that your fake smile looks evidently fake and that's what it will look like in the pictures. Practice till you find the most flattering smile. 10, when in a seated group shot, instead of leaning in, sit up straight and relax. 11, if you're applying heavy makeup on the face, carry it to the neck as well. Otherwise the difference will be stark in the pictures with all the flash lighting. 12, do not skip the mascara even if you're not an eye makeup person. A good mascara will open your eyes and give you a wide awake look even if you're tired. 13, flyaways and frizzy hair can completely kill the look in pics, so apply a hair serum or check out these hacks to tame the flyaways. 14, confidence or the lack of it always shows up on our face. I have seen the most ordinary faces glow with beauty without makeup because of confidence. Have you ever wondered why children almost always look amazing in pictures? It is because they are relaxed, playful, uninhibited and genuine in the feelings they express. So, every time someone says cheese, relax and smile with confidence. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Keep watching and stay with us subscribing to this channel. Have a great day.